Pancakes, 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 pancakes. Hello Bobsters, welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk to you about pancakes. Not really. I want to talk to you about three things, each completely different. Number one, I love pancakes. Number two, no, that's one finger. Number two, I'm going to be starting a new thing for the next 40 days. In other words, Lent. Instead of giving something up, I'm going to be starting up something on my channel. So, hashtag #WellyBobsNeverUploads has started going around, and I want to fix that. So for the next 40 days, I'm going to be uploading every day. So expect 40 days of Welly Bobster Day 1 to come out tomorrow. Today is Day 0 because Lent starts tomorrow. And the third thing that has nothing to do with that, I'll just push that out of the way, is I would like to give a big friendly shout out to friendly Callum. He is the one who inspired me to do my YouTube channel, along with a couple other YouTubers as well, and he is one of my best friends. So, please do check his account out in the description below. There'll be a link. Please click that and subscribe to him. He doesn't make any videos, but I'd really like it if he did. You might have seen the other account that's not there anymore. That can go as well. Friendly Callum, go subscribe to him. He is amazing. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time, Bobsters. Bye. Roll the outro. Roll the outro.